Hi, today we are going to review Kingston Wide Drive. It is a 16 GB Wi-Fi storage. Let's see how it's work with different devices. We are right now having two Android devices here. One is Samsung Galaxy and other one is a 10-inch tablet. For using Wide Drive, you will need to download the Wide Drive application from Google Play. This is the application. It is like a file manager for this Wide Drive, and without that you cannot access the internal content. The application is necessary to access file and to view audio and video files. Let's connect the drive. You have to turn it on. There is a single power button here. After a few seconds, there will be two blue LEDs available here. The first one is for web browser access and the second is for Wi-Fi settings. Without till the light are activated, the drive will not be accessible. Once you are done with the installation of Wide Drive application, you have to activate the Wi-Fi settings from your devices. The Wi-Fi LED is started. You have to go in the settings menu of your device, turn on the Wi-Fi. You can see Wide Drive here. The device is connected now. Any other Wi-Fi connection currently working will be disabled. You can see Wide Drive. This is a unique IP address provided to the drive, which is 192.168.200.254. With this IP address, you can access the same drive through a web browser also. This is the internal menu of Wide Drive. The application allows you to see all the content of file stored inside this. For playing audios and videos, Wide Drive uses third-party applications which are installed in your Android devices.
What the hell is going on here? We have you under control.
Let's connect the second device on this application. You can see the Wide Drive application is installed here. It will show you searching Wide Drive until until it is connected to some other Wi-Fi network. You have to activate that again from the settings. It is now connected. This is the same menu which you have seen in the smartphone section. At a single time, you can only use 3 devices with the Wide Drive.
Just need to prevent the virus. Everyone I've ever known.
The application allows you for some settings below here. When you tap on photos, only the images will be displayed. Same is for music and videos. It is a separate setting column in which you can make changes to the application, to the wide drive name, and also protect it with a password. But for that you will need a web browser to edit the settings. You can see 3 columns here. When you are the Wi-Fi setting allow you to modify the setting of wide drive by modifying the name. You can see the name here, wide drive, the visibility. You can manage this. These are the Wi-Fi channels here. Depending on the device, the drive automatically adjusts which channel is most compatible. Here you can modify the settings here. You can add a WEP password to protect your drive content. Second is network settings. Inside this, you can switch the Wi-Fi network to any other existing network available in the area. The third setting is an upgrade firmware for this. When you are doing this, remember to back up your data from the wide drive, because it completely wipes out everything after the firmware upgrade. If you're not having application, you can also access wide drive through a web browser. For that you have to type the unique IP address assigned to the browser. You can see here 192.168.200.254. When you type the IP address, the internal content are available in a web browser itself, and from here you can directly open it. This is good for those devices which are not having the application in them, but you have to connect the device on wide drive to access all this content. Wide drive comes with 16, 32 and 128 GB storage. The application has very minimal features, but it's enough for surfing content inside the drive. There is no way to transfer data directly from a Wi-Fi device to wide drive. You have to connect a USB port. There is a USB 2.0 cable available with the drive. You have to connect that in, then only you can transfer the content to the device. Other than this, it has a very compact design. It's very thin in size and it's also very light. There is a 128 GB variation also available for this, but it is a far more costlier drive compared to any other available in the market. Thank you. Visit TechRun.in.